The Supreme Court of Pakistan has ordered that former Prime Minister Imran Khan be moved from jail to a hospital. This happened after prison authorities told the top court that Khan's eyesight had improved considerably following his request to be treated at a private hospital in Islamabad. Let's get the latest on this from Kamran Yusuf from Islamabad. Kamran, Imran Khan is a man with massive support still in Pakistan. He has a lot of political fans, a lot of people who have an emotional connection to him. Would they be wrong in thinking that this might be a stepping stone to him eventually being released?
Well, I think given how Imran Khan remained behind bars since August 5, 2023, it's been more than 3 years. So this is for the first time, apparently, the country's top court has given him some legal reprieve on medical grounds. And importantly, I think this is a very explicit order from the country's top court. They ordered authorities to move Imran Khan to one of the private hospitals in Islamabad within 2 days, and also directed authorities that Imran Khan will remain in hospital till the next hearing, which is on the 16th of September. So given that Imran Khan remained behind bars for all those years, this is for the first time that Imran Khan will be out of jail and will be treated in hospital for entire month. So given Pakistan's history previously, you know that this is not the first case when a senior politician or a former prime minister was indicted and convicted. There were previous instances whenever any convicted prime minister or jailed prime minister, ex-prime minister was given relief. Usually it started with giving them the medical reprieve. So in this case, obviously there are people who are already connecting the dots, hoping that this may be step in that direction. But again, it is too early to say, as Supreme Court also urged and directed rather Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, his party, not to politicize his health issue.